Hello, I'm Dr. Nigel Bairstow. When disasters and conflicts occur, humanitarian organizations must follow a clear ethical framework. In this video, we'll explore the 4 humanitarian principles guiding aid worldwide. Humanitarian principles are 4 internationally recognized values. They guide how humanitarian assistance is delivered fairly and safely. These principles ensure aid is free from political and military influence. Humanity means protecting life and reducing suffering wherever it exists. Impartiality means helping people based solely on need, regardless of background. Neutrality requires organizations not to take sides in conflicts. Independence ensures aid decisions remain free from external control. For example, humanity involves saving lives during natural disasters like earthquakes. Impartiality guides needs-based assistance without discrimination. Neutrality means no political side-taking, even in armed conflicts. Independence keeps aid free from political or economic pressures. These principles guide responses to earthquakes, floods, wars, and refugee crises. Following them builds trust and grants access to vulnerable communities. They enable delivery of life-saving aid where it is needed most. Together, these 4 principles form a shield for ethical humanitarian action. They protect human dignity and help those in greatest need without bias. This framework ensures aid is ethical, trusted, needs-based, and independent. Understanding these principles helps us appreciate ethical decisions in disaster response. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to B2B Whiteboard for more insights on global, social, and business concepts.